U Digital Guardian Training by Vistasparks Solutions Master Advanced Data Loss Prevention (DLP), Endpoint Security, and Insider Threat Protection with our comprehensive Digital Guardian Training program. Learn how to secure sensitive business data, monitor user activities, prevent data leakage, and strengthen enterprise security using the powerful Digital Guardian platform. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations improve data visibility, endpoint protection, compliance management, and threat detection across enterprise environments. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Our Digital Guardian training program is designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills to master data protection. The program includes a comprehensive curriculum covering topics such as data privacy, security, and governance. The training also covers the importance of incident response, threat intelligence, and risk management. The Digital Guardian training program is a comprehensive solution that offers a range of benefits, including protection against advanced threats, improved incident response, and enhanced knowledge sharing among employees. The training covers various topics such as data loss prevention, information governance, and cybersecurity awareness, providing learners with a solid foundation in these critical areas. By participating in this training, individuals can develop valuable skills and expertise that will help them navigate complex digital environments and make informed decisions about data management and security. During this training, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of Digital Guardian's core framework and components. This includes how they work together to effectively protect against data breaches. The focus will be on implementing successful data loss prevention (DLP) strategies, which involves designing, deploying, and managing these systems. The ultimate goal is to prepare you for real-world challenges and industry-recognized certification. Through this training, you will have the opportunity to practice implementing effective DLP strategies and effectively manage data loss prevention systems, ensuring the protection of sensitive information. The objectives of this training also include certification readiness, which means you will be equipped to handle real-world challenges and pass industry-recognized certifications, showcasing your expertise and skills in DLP. By the end of this training, you will have a deep understanding of Digital Guardian's core framework and components and the ability to successfully implement DLP strategies. This will empower you to take control of your organization's digital landscape and safeguard its sensitive information. Our expert trainers, with years of experience implementing Digital Guardian solutions, will be available to answer any questions and provide feedback. The training is tailored to be flexible and personalized, allowing you to choose your own schedule and learning pace. You will also have access to recorded sessions and materials to review and reinforce your learning at your convenience. The training is scenario-based and includes practical exercises that simulate real-world challenges, helping you develop the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in DLP. The course is designed for individuals who want to learn about digital privacy and security. It is not intended for those who are already experts in this field. This course will provide you with the fundamental knowledge and skills required to protect yourself and others from cyber threats. The course is structured around 3 main modules. Module 1 provides an overview of digital privacy and security principles, including data protection, encryption, and access control. Module 2 focuses on implementing these principles in real-world scenarios, such as managing policies, protecting endpoints and networks, and responding to incidents. Module 3 offers advanced training in areas like advanced settings, practical labs, and certification preparation. Throughout the course, students will be guided by experienced instructors who have extensive experience in digital privacy and security. The importance of data loss prevention cannot be overstated in today's digital landscape. Sensitive information, such as personal identifiable information, protected health information, and financial data, are critical assets that need to be safeguarded. In this module, we will delve into the world of data loss prevention and explore its strategic role in modern cybersecurity. We will examine how Digital Guardian addresses enterprise-level data risks and provide an overview of the key components of DLP. Understanding why DLP is critical in cybersecurity is essential for any organization looking to protect its sensitive data. Organizations must comply with regulations such as PII, PHI, and financial data standards. Furthermore, we will discuss the Digital Guardian product suite and its various frameworks, requirements, and capabilities. This knowledge is vital for any organization seeking to implement effective data loss prevention measures. The expert trainer guides you through the core structure of the Digital Guardian architecture, explaining each component's role in protecting sensitive information. The trainer helps you understand how the different components work together to protect the organization's data. The trainer explains that the architecture includes multiple components such as agents, management consoles, and integrations which work together to provide a holistic view of data movement and protection. The trainer also explains that by understanding each component's function, you can gain insight into how the solution enforces protection across all layers, from reporting servers to the overall system. The trainer emphasizes that this knowledge is essential for implementing effective data protection measures, safeguarding against potential threats and vulnerabilities. The trainer further explains that as you progress through the module, you will develop a deeper understanding of the Digital Guardian architecture, enabling you to make informed decisions about your organization's digital security. The importance of data discovery and classification cannot be overstated in today's digital landscape. As we navigate through vast amounts of data, it becomes increasingly difficult to identify sensitive information. This module will focus on teaching you how to identify, fingerprint, and classify sensitive data across your entire environment, whether it be structured or unstructured. The techniques used here include identifying structured and unstructured data repositories, content fingerprinting, and pattern-based analysis. Furthermore, user-based and automated classification strategies will also be covered. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to take control of your data, ensure its secure handling. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about your organization's data assets. With this understanding, you can develop effective data management policies and procedures, ultimately leading to a more secure digital future. Our program is designed for individuals who are interested in learning about policy creation and management. The program includes a comprehensive curriculum that covers topics such as policy design, implementation, and management. The curriculum also covers the use of policy tools and technologies, including classification systems and rule-based engines. Students will have access to a range of resources, including online tutorials, webinars, and live sessions with expert trainers. The program is delivered through a combination of self-study and instructor-led training. Students can expect to gain practical skills and knowledge in policy creation and management, which can be applied to their current work or future career goals. The expert trainers will guide you through hands-on scenario-based learning, where you'll practice configuring endpoint and network DLP configurations in a realistic environment. This includes deploying Digital Guardian agents to protect sensitive data in motion and at rest. You'll learn how to set up content-aware blocking and receive alerts when suspicious activity occurs. Our flexible and personalized approach ensures you can learn at your own pace, with one-on-one mentoring available as needed. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how to configure and deploy DLP solutions to safeguard your organization's sensitive data. The next step in incident monitoring and response is to detect and investigate DLP incidents. This can be achieved through the use of intelligent alert systems and forensic tools. Intelligent alert systems are designed to identify potential incidents early on, allowing for swift action to be taken. Real-time dashboards provide full visibility into network activity. Custom reports can be created to further analyze the situation. Following structured escalation procedures is essential when an incident has been detected. Containing and remediating the issue quickly prevents the incident from spreading further and causing more damage. A well-defined process minimizes downtime and ensures business continuity. Effective incident monitoring and response requires a combination of detection, investigation, and remediation strategies. Organizations can proactively manage their risk by implementing these strategies. This reduces the likelihood of a successful attack. The expert trainers will guide you through advanced settings and troubleshooting techniques to optimize and refine your DLP environment for peak performance and reliability. They will show you how to fine-tune policies to reduce false positives and improve accuracy, diagnose and resolve common deployment and agent issues, and provide best practices for system performance and long-term stability. Through scenario-based learning, you'll practice these skills in a practical and industry-aligned way, ensuring you're equipped to tackle complex challenges in your organization. You will learn how to fine-tune policies to reduce false positives and improve accuracy, diagnose and resolve common deployment and agent issues, and gain best practices for system performance and long-term stability. By the end of this module, you'll have the knowledge and skills to take your DLP environment to the next level. The company has been using Digital Guardian's DLP policy management system for several years now. They have found it to be very effective in detecting and containing data breaches. The company has also implemented other security measures, such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems. However, they still experience occasional data leaks. Despite their efforts, they are unable to completely eliminate data leaks due to the complexity of modern computing systems. The company has decided to take additional steps to improve their security posture. They have chosen to use Digital Guardian's Advanced Threat Intelligence platform to enhance their existing security infrastructure. The new platform will provide them with real-time threat intelligence and predictive analytics to help identify potential security threats. The company plans to integrate the new platform with their existing security measures, including their DLP policy management system. Our Career Growth Program provides you with the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in the field of cybersecurity. The training is delivered by expert trainers who use practical scenario-based learning experiences that mimic real-world enterprise security challenges. Self-paced learning offers flexibility and convenience for individuals who want to learn at their own pace. With self-paced modules, learners can access structured, on-demand video lessons and reading materials whenever they need them. This approach allows learners to learn at their own schedule, making it ideal for those with busy lives or who prefer to learn independently. The practical labs included in these modules provide hands-on experience simulating real-life DLP environments, enabling learners to gain deeper understanding and skills. Additionally, certification support is available, offering dedicated mentoring and exam preparation resources to help learners achieve industry credentials. This comprehensive package provides learners with the tools and support needed to succeed in their digital landscape. The corporate training provided by Vistasparks is tailored to address specific security concerns and vulnerabilities within an organization. The training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of each company, ensuring that all employees have the necessary knowledge to protect sensitive data. The training solutions offered by Vistasparks include on-site delivery, remote virtual instructor-led sessions, and post-training support. The focus is on enterprise-grade data loss prevention, DLP deployment, and compliance frameworks, which provide a comprehensive approach to securing digital assets. The training also includes team assessments, group labs, and hands-on experience to equip employees with the skills needed to implement and maintain robust security measures. This comprehensive approach ensures that organizations can take proactive steps towards protecting their digital future. The training program for expert trainers is designed to equip them with the necessary skills and knowledge to implement effective data loss prevention, DLP solutions in their organizations. The program focuses on providing practical industry-aligned exercises that simulate real-world enterprise security challenges. Participants will have the opportunity to learn from certified professionals who have extensive experience in implementing DLP solutions in various industries. The company has been using the same old methods to prevent data loss since its inception. However, these methods have proven ineffective against modern threats. The company needs to upgrade its data protection strategy to keep up with the evolving threat landscape. Upgrading the current system would require significant investment, but it may be necessary to protect sensitive information. The company should consider alternative solutions such as cloud-based services or third-party vendors offering specialized data protection tools. The company has been providing training programs for over a decade now. The training programs are designed to equip students with the necessary skills to excel in their careers. The programs cover various aspects of digital marketing, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, and email marketing. The company also provides career guidance to its students, which includes personalized mentoring and career path planning. The company's training programs are highly regarded by its clients and have received numerous awards and recognition. The contact information is available on this page. To get started, simply call us, send a message via WhatsApp, email us, or visit our website. We are available Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Please note that we will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. You can also find course details, schedules, and enrollment information here. Simply click on the links provided to learn more about our courses. The training program is designed to equip participants with the necessary tools and techniques to effectively manage and mitigate cyber threats. The program includes a comprehensive curriculum that covers topics such as threat intelligence, incident response, and security awareness. Participants will learn how to identify and analyze threats, develop effective countermeasures, and implement robust security measures to prevent breaches.